Hey y'all, it's your girl Folusho. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, today I'm showing you guys a week in my life in Boston. I went down there with my family. We did a bunch of sightseeing, we ate a bunch of food, and we just had a good time. So enjoy the video.
Gotta get real again, gotta get real again. Gotta get real again, gotta get real again. Gotta get real again.
All right, thank you. I really like this phone case because it's pink, which is one of my favorite colors. This bag is so cute too, like 10 out of 10. My big sister used to be obsessed with Juicy Couture back in the day. I feel like I should get this for her. Y'all know me, you know that Ulta is my favorite spot. I might actually check out Old Navy too because, yeah, why not? I have like 30 more minutes of shopping to spare. I have been wanting to try these Juvia's Palace foundations so bad. Yeah. Okay guys, this is my outfit of the day. The bodysuit is from Misguided. The necklace is from Adrienne Bailon's collection. And the shorts are from JCPenney. So we are pretty much ready to go and explore the city. It is 1 o'clock. We went down and ate breakfast and now we're just gonna explore and we'll see you there.
Boston, baby. Boston, Massachusetts.
Y'all know the vibes. Everybody say hello. Out in the Boston streets. I think we're about to get some chowder. Then we're gonna go by the water. I don't really know. I think it's like something like a potato thing. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see you then. Taking over Felisha's channel, and we are here to get cannoli. I know, right? So good morning. Me and my family, we just had breakfast. They all headed out to go shopping into a storage unit for my brother's apartment. I am back here doing my makeup, just trying to finish that up, and then I'm gonna meet my mom and my sister at the shopping center. I'm not really sure what else we have planned for today, but I will be sure to keep you guys updated. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and I'm about to head out. I just finished my makeup and put on a cute little outfit. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the outfit of the day. I just have this simple lace-up dress from, I believe this is from Blushmark. I have this $19.99 necklace from Forever 21 and just like a basic purse. So I was gonna bring my Louis bag, but I don't really know this area that well. I don't want it to get like taken, you know? Oh, and my shoes. are just some black sandals. Very, very simple, very, very basic, but we're gonna head out and I'll see you guys later. One thing I like about this hotel is it literally has like a full-size kitchen, minus the stove top, but they gave us like dishes and a microwave and a sink, so I thought that was really cool. I'm currently out here headed to the mall. It's literally such a beautiful day. Like, let me show you guys. There's no one out here, but such a pretty day. This primer works great, makes your foundation apply so flawlessly. So I'm trying to decide if I should get these shoes or not. I don't know if I like them. They're my size though, which is a rare find because I wear women's size 12. No, I'm talking to my vlog. But I thought they're kind of basic, and I already have pink shoes and I already have gray Nikes. So I made them. Okay, so we just got off the ferry and we're about to head to dinner at a seafood spot. So I'll see you guys there. Honestly, the view is gorgeous. It's the nicest one I've seen this entire trip, for sure, hands down.
That's different. It's levels, right?
Okay, so I'm at TJ Maxx and this candle literally smells divine. So I'm probably gonna get like 2 or 3 of them. But yeah, it's like a 3-wick candle. It smells better than some of the ones I've smelled at Bath and Body. So I definitely would recommend. And this is literally in like the back clearance aisle of TJ Maxx. Okay, so Love Island is literally my favorite show at the moment. Let me know if you guys are watching it down in the comments down below, and I would love to talk about it with you guys. But it is so good. Alright y'all, so it is much later. I literally don't even remember the last time I updated you guys on this vlog. I'm so sorry. It's like 6 p.m. Basically this morning we just like laid around and we were relaxing in the family. We were like super tired. We got food and now we are at the store trying to find stuff for my brother's his apartment. So we're trying to find some stuff. Yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated. I'm gonna do some more shopping. I'm here at JCPenney right now, if you guys can see in the background. But I'm just gonna do some more shopping. I'll get back with you guys later. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm currently at the beach. I've been forgetting to update this vlog. It's been pretty much all over the place. But yeah, I'm just here with my family. I actually have a flight really early tomorrow morning around 4 a.m. So this is definitely a different beach. Let me show you. Like the waves are very calm. And there's like a lot of seagulls and stuff. These seagulls. Today it is from Shein. You can probably follow me on Instagram to see photos of that. We literally only got to stay at the beach for like a half hour. I just took a bunch of like Instagram photos and stuff. But we're headed back now It's been a pretty good day, so I can't complain. I'm back at the hotel. I'm actually very, very hungry right now. My family went to go view like another apartment. I think I'm gonna go and grab some food real quick. I don't know, there's a bunch of places nearby. But yeah, I'm really hungry, so I might get some fries, a little burger. Stay tuned. I ended up going to this Wahlburger place. I've actually never been there before, but it does look pretty good. I'm very excited to eat. I'm actually starving. This is like my first real meal because y'all can't even see me. I'm about to eat this. This looks bomb. Looks pretty good. Bacon, French fries. Yeah, they're really good, really fresh, really hot. I love fries you can taste the potato in. You know, some it's like they're so thin it just tastes like crispiness, but these you can like, they're thin enough that you can taste the potato, but thick enough to where they're still like really crunchy. It's really flavorful. I give it like a solid 8 out of 10. Look at this.